Ako, pati ito.
Hindi pa. Alam mo naman yan.
What a beautiful car.
We're going to make this with the Korea.
Yeah.
Kaya wala. Can I see the front?
Can I see?
No,
Oh no!
there's a 1 in 7.
My son, very expensive.
There's
Yeah.
You choose the only one.
Yeah. Very expensive, my son, oh. Oh.
Dito na lang. Kasi we have so many car na dun sa baba, sa bahay. Kasi mambubuin na
Yeah.
Lego. Ah, Lego daw yan. Yes,
bago wala.
Ano lang po kasi masyadong mahal.
Oo, tsaka ikaw pa.
Ito na.
Oo, meron pa naman po sila, ma'am. Thank you. Alam ko gusto nyo makabenta pero
Nam do you have toy kinda mo may super na.
hindi siya, hindi kailangan. My son, is that, that's it? Okay. Sorry, that one's too much expensive, okay? It's okay? Okay.
Parcel na lang. 1,000 lang.
Yung ano lang po, pwede naman yung mura na maganda, ma'am.
Sa ganito mo pa.
Kasi ano lang, one day lang eh. One day lang, ano na. 1 day, 2 days lang.
Pero mas okay ito mo kasi may tao na wala. Wait lang ate. Small billiard.
Can I try a bicycle?
My son, not now.
Wala mo bilhin sa akin.
Pwede.
Yung tubol. Wala lang bilhin sa akin.
Sige.
Saan nalagay ko? Wala ba testing?
Di ko alam eh. What do you want, Bajian?
Ito na yun. Nabili mo. This one?
I think that's expensive.
This one nila. It's not expensive. This one. Ay! You can date po, oh! Wow!
The one, I think that is expensive.
This one is not. You want this?
I like it.
This one or this one? What do you like? This one or this one?
Si Gian po kasi pagka mahal daw, wag na lang daw.
Come on.
Okay na?
Ha? Ha?
The number.
Here.
The number daw, ayun.
499.
Is it expensive or not?
I don't know.
It's not expensive. Tatanong niya naman tayo kung expensive. Ako. Ito na daw sa kanya na.
Okay, let's go. Ikaw na, yan ang gusto mo?
Ayun na.
Okay, let's go na. Let's go na, my Gia. You're so good, you know why? What is the expensive or not? No, huh? Okay, you go to na, Nina. Pinapacheck niya kung expensive daw o hindi. Ayaw niya pagka-expensive daw.
Wala ko pala. Tama.
Ba't tiniga ni Kuya sa ano?